Here, this is playback. If you click here, you will see the camera. Where is if you want to select this one, or if you want to select. Hello my beautiful friends on internet. Today I am going to show you how you can check the recorded video on HIKVISION NVR. So if you press the menu, at first you need to put password, which if you finish with password, then you can see the all channels, means these are all camera. You see, these are all camera. So this is playback. You need to click here for the recorded video, and then select the these are camera. Which one you want to select? I suppose I select this one. So, and then let's say November 13, I need the recorded video. Double click. If you click on the double click, it will take a little bit, only 2 seconds maybe, and then it will come like this. So, and then if you press and hold the left key, then you can see one recording. You see, it's 24 hour. So from 1 hour to 24 hour, it's 24 hour format. As you can see in the here, it's 24 hour format. So which hour you want to see, you can see by clicking the go with the mouse and then click left click, and then it will go there. And if you want again 14th, double click, and you can see the blue. These are the movement of peoples. So if there is any people moving, so it will automatically showing like this, the blue. So you do not need to worry. So which are where to find. So you just click on this to check if where people work, and these are people didn't work here. These are off, shutdown. So, and again this is live view. Like this, if you scroll, it will change. Now I can see outside clearly, and this is how you will you can check HIKVISION recorded video NVR. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.